Alright, second graders, so we're writing 3-digit numerals. I want you to go ahead and get your workout, open up to a clean sheet of paper. Couple of things. Draw this representation table in your journal, and then just wait. Pause the video, do that. The first part, I'm doing work, and then you're going to watch me afterwards. After you have that written, unpause, then come back to me. Great. So again, let's go over our process. We look at the picture, sort the flats, rods, and units, write the numeral in standard number form, and then we mark those place values. Let's go ahead and do that. So if I have a picture that looks just like this, the first thing I'm going to do is look at the picture. 1 flat, 2 flats, 3, 1 rod, 2, 3, 4 rods, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So I have my picture. Let me go ahead and sort them out just a little bit better. Space them out so I don't get anything confused. Now I'm going to go ahead and write the numeral in standard form and number form. But first, I've got 2 flats, 4 rods, 6 units. Let me go ahead and go over here and write it in numeral standard form. So I have 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And I'm going to match up. How many hundreds do I have? Well, I've got 2 hundreds. And hundreds are equivalent to flats. So how many flats? I've got 2. How many rods do I have? How many tens? 4. 4 tens, and that is equivalent to 4 rods. How many units did I have? 6. 6 ones are equivalent to 6 units. After I do that, mark the place values and everything, let me go ahead and just write it in standard form. 246. 246. That's all we're doing. Looking at the picture, sort the flats out, the rods and units, write them in standard form, and mark the place values. So I could write my numeral 246 is equivalent to 2 flats, 4 rods, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is all we're doing. Let's go to the next sheet, and you're going to do work on your own. I'm going to show you a picture, pause the video, and complete our representations in our number table, and then rewrite your sentence right there telling me what your numeral represents in either hundreds, tens, and ones, or in flats, rods, and units. The numeral you're going to be working with is shown right here on the white paper. Pause the video, do all the work. When you're ready, come back and check your answers. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3 flats, 1 rod, 4 units. Check your answers as we go. I'm going to transfer these to my table. My numeral 3, 4, 3, 1, 4. I've got 3 hundreds or 3 flats. I've got 1 tens or 1 rod, 4 ones or 4 units. So my sentence should be written, my numeral 314 is equivalent to 3 flats, 1, 2, 3, 1 rod, and 4 units. Did you get it right? If you did, high five. One more. Next page. Get the paper ready just like you did again a minute ago. When you are ready, pause it, do the work. The numeral you're going to be working with right now, or the pictorial representation of that numeral, is going to be as shown. There you go. Pause the video. Do the work, and let's come back. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4 flats, 1, 2 rods, 1 unit. Transfer that over. I've got 4 hundreds, 4 flats, 2 tens, 2 rods, 1 1, 1 unit. My numeral 421, 421. So my numeral 421 is equivalent to 4 flats, 2 rods, and 1 units. That's all we're doing. High five, you got that correct.